Morning of day 4.5. This is a new valley that I just came into. I think it's called Painter's Basin. And then way down there, I'm standing on some loose rocks. Way down there, I think the one on the right behind the tree is King's Peak. I'll be heading over there today, going over it. So I'll take lots of pictures and photos. Hey, it's morning of day 4.5. It's Tuesday. Been hiking for about an hour. I was able to sleep last night, which was really nice. So that's 2 out of 4 nights, and I'll take it because yesterday I hiked from 7:30 a.m. Till 8 p.m. And I took maybe 40 minutes of breaks total to stretch and lunch. So I needed to sleep tonight because I'm just entering the valley, and I think one of those big ones, I think that one is King's Peak. That's where I'm headed now. So here we go. Look how pretty this valley is. I better stop walking. I slept in there somewhere. Look at this beautiful spot I found for filter water. Just perfect. I'm getting closer to the base of King's Peak. I believe this area is called Painter's Basin. And the mountains are growing taller as I get closer. And I'm thinking I'm gonna be going up that way to Anderson Pass, maybe? I don't know. We'll find out. There's the trail right there. I'm on the east side of King's Peak, which is obviously the less crowded side because there's no one else out here. So I imagine I'll see people up on the pass or coming down the other side. We'll see.
Yeah, depending on how these clouds look on the other side of this pass, I might have a green light to get up.
Yeah. I still think those clouds look friendly. This is Mike, right?
Zach.
Shoot. Who did you text? I swear it said Mike.
I'll text him.
My bad. Well, I'm only gonna know him for about 30 minutes, so. We came from...
Can you even see North Pole Pass from here?
I think it's behind that mountain. Here it is. I came from right down there. That is King's Peak right there. These are gorgeous views. Look at that. So I'm gonna be heading. You can kind of faintly see, the trail down that way. I think I drop down into this valley and then get back up onto those mountains up there. But it's only about an hour away. But Ty and I were planning on hiking King's Peak this summer with a group, but it got canceled due to Corona. And I don't want to go up there alone without Ty, so I'm going to postpone hiking to King's, and I'm happy with this decision. I've made it before I even started this hike, plus it gives me a reason to come back out and do this section with Ty. I don't want to be up there alone taking a picture of myself. I want to share it with somebody. Different view. This is what I'm on right now, going around these corners with beautiful vistas. I'm pretty high up. I think I'm around 12.5, something like that. Highest I've been. Just went over that pass. I think they call it Anderson Pass. I don't even know. Here's the valley below, and that's King's Peak right there. just made it down. It was like 2,000 feet of switchbacks from Anderson Pass and loose rock switchbacks, which are always fun. I think a normal person, after they do Kings Peak or Anderson Pass, would call it good for the day. But I'm gonna try and go another 13 miles today and see if I can do that before it gets dark. It's only about 1:30 or so. We got some clouds coming in, kind of dark. They look friendly, but you don't want to be up there when those clouds come in. You're in big trouble. New valley, you can check it out. I was in that upper valley up there. That's Kings Peak. And those people up there better be careful. Those are some dark clouds. That's probably the worst place you want to be, because it takes you about 4 hours to get down from the pass. I'm gonna be heading up right there, going over that pass. So give me about 3 hours. I'll be up at the top there. All right, just crossed this beautiful valley, and then another valley. I'm gonna keep going up to right there, right where it's raining. So just to add another element to the adventure, rain. As long as it doesn't lightning, I'm okay. Or I guess as long as I don't get wet. Getting wet in this wind at this altitude would be no bueno. Yay for water. I can hear it. You get so excited to see a stream or river. Clean, fresh, ouch, water. I'm gonna be able to survive another 6 hours. Look at this thing. Stop for, I guess, Leonard. Dark clouds over there. It's sunny where I am. I'm letting my, it's too dark, my oatmeal cook. I'm out of dry food, so I have to cook everything, which kind of sucks. I ate all my Pop-Tarts and Snickers in like the first 36 hours, and now I just have this sucky food left. But hey, I got food. Another high altitude lake up here in the Uintas. That one's pretty. If it weren't cold and windy, that would be the lake I go jump in. I've only seen one person since Kings Peak, and he was going the opposite way. He said that the app on his phone that had the map failed, so he's in big trouble. He said he had a paper map, so there you go. All right, there's the valley I was just in. Came up. This is still day 4.5. And then this is the new valley. I'm on a pass called Tungsten Pass. And then you can see maybe the trail right there. That one. And it goes all the way over there. It's about 4 more miles. And that's called Porcupine Pass. I'm gonna try to get there before dark. I gotta hurry because I gotta get to that pass and then go down probably another 4 miles. So here we go. Marin and I once watched a show called Last Man on Earth, and with the expanse of the Uintas, this sure makes me feel the same way. Look at this. Let's see if I can do it. I mean, it's just massive. Let's see, that's what I'm trying to get over right now. And there's some beautiful lakes right down there. It'd be nice to camp on, but I'm way too high to camp. It's gonna get cold here tonight. But it's just so massive. Check out that view. Couldn't ask for a better view. Some more lakes up top. That's part of the valley that I just went through. It took forever. It's a lot longer than it looks. And then there's some more beautiful lakes over here. And there's Porcupine Pass still way up there. I've got to get over it and down tonight. I can't sleep up here. I'm kind of just suffering at this point. I mean, I don't know what time it is, what, 5, 6? I've been going since 8 a.m. Got a couple more hours, but I haven't added it up, but I think I easily have gone up 10,000 feet in elevation today and down. With Painter's Basin and Anderson Pass, and that last pass I can't even remember the name, and with Porcupine Pass. So, oh, ouch. Let's keep going. I've been swearing a lot last few hours in my head, trying to get over this third Porcupine Pass. It's still up there quite a bit. This is the valley I just walked through. I'm feeling every step. Every step I can feel like in my back. And it's feels like I've been going uphill for like 6 miles. I can't sleep up here. It's way too high. I can see the rock cairns up there, but they're forever away, and I just keep doing these horrible switchbacks. But onward and upward, they say. I'm coming up on Porcupine Pass Ridge. It's about 6 o'clock at night, and I'll let you guys see the view with me as I go over, if I can make it. Doesn't look steep, but it sucks. Looks like a big grave spot. What do we got here? Oh man. God. Woo! Holy smokes. Oh, there's the trail going down. Oh, it's windy. Oh. I've got to make it to those trees tonight, or I am in trouble. Just came down from Porcupine Porcupine Pass. The one, let's see, right there. It started to rain up top and get cold with the wind, so I got my jacket on. It's starting to rain again right now. I'm just laying down for a second. I gotta stretch out my IT band and plantar fasciitis. And then I am heading that way to the tree line so I can cook some top ramen. My lips are super chapped, even though I'm drinking like 10 liters a day and putting on lip screens, sunblock crap, whatever it's called. What's wrong with my face? How's it doing that? Anyway, I got my trusty umbrella because it's raining now, of course. Hopefully I don't have to break out the rain gear. We'll see. Still day 4.5. It's been a long day and it's still going. Just got rained on pretty good. At least I wasn't up on top of that Porcupine Pass. This is what my view is right now. Got rain clouds all around me. There's Porcupine Pass, so I just came over. There's not another person out here. I've seen one person since I left Kings Peak.